done my diploma in mechanical engineering, and from the past 20, I have worked for 10 to 15 years in a production technical line, and from the past 15 years, I have my own business, manufacturing unit. I make leather watch straps, buckles, and chemical anodizing and all those things. So what happened is 1.5 years back, I was watching a TV program on the Discovery Science channel. It was where Einstein's theory of general relativity was being discussed, and the concept of space-time was being explained. So space-time, he says, in the theory it says that space itself is curved. That is why bodies move in a curved path. Moon, it is going not because of gravity, but because the space itself is curved. Then I felt baffled. He said, how can space be curved? Space is fully empty, right? Space is empty, how can it be curved? And time is not a physical thing. So space-time means, I was totally baffled. Then just out of sheer curiosity, I started searching in the net for more information, just to understand. But what happened is, as I went more and searched more and more, I don't know what happened. I got engrossed in it and collected so much of information that certain ideas and new theories started coming into my mind. So after about a year, a combination, a theory which combines both Newton and Einstein's theories with a wholly new perspective, it came into my mind. So that is why I have written a book on that, where and I've called it Gravity Captured, which is a confluence of Newton's and Einstein's theory of gravity in a wholly new perspective. Then there is another big mystery in the physics world. One is the source of gravity. The second is the disappearance of antimatter. Antimatter is the opposite of matter. Antimatter is a replica of matter, but having opposite charge. In the sense, if matter in the nucleus in the matter atoms will have positive charge, whereas the electrons will have negative charge. Whereas in antimatter, the nucleus will have a negative charge, and the proton, or what they call the positron, will have a positive charge. So in all respects it is same. Only the sign is opposite. The charge, electric charge, is opposite. Now, scientists have calculated and theorized that at the beginning of the universe, both matter and antimatter were produced in equal quantities. But however, now only matter is visible everywhere, because they suppose that we are all made of only matter. Antimatter is totally missing from the universe, and this is a very big mystery.